Okay, this is Isaac Clarke in the winter quarter of 2019 in Computer Science 110 with Mr. Wellman. And this is Quiz 2, Part 2, questions 1 through 3. So we've got, in the first question, we've got some accumulator, which is assigned 0. We've got a for loop, where I goes through the range 1 to 101 with a step of 2. So some accumulator is going to be equal to plus equals I, which means it'll go 0, plus 1, plus 3, plus 5, so on. And after it goes through all those values up to 101, it's going to print the total, which is 2,601. So for the second one, we've got a different variable name this time, equals 0, and the same range, values, same step, but what's different this time is that it's 1 over I instead of just I. So the total is going to be, it's going to go 0 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 3 instead of 0 plus 1 plus 3. And after it goes through all those values again, it's going to print, which this time is 2.947, so on. And for the third question, we're going to import the turtle. We're going to make a window for that turtle, and Ben is going to be the turtle that we're making. Then we're going to define a function, square, which takes t, turtle, as an argument. It's going to draw a square, which has 4 sides, so it's just going to draw this side 4 times. Then we're going to define line of squares, which takes turtle, and however many squares you want your line to be made up of. And that involves a for loop, which is going to repeat for however many squares you input, which starts off drawing a square. And these movement functions are just for the turtle to get back in position to draw another square. And you'll see that as I run it right now. See, it draws the 4 sides, then it's going to go back right into position right here to draw another 4 sides, and it'll just keep going.